Hello everyone. Today I wanted to talk to you about Wikipedia and its place in the research process. So many of us are brainwashed to stay away from Wikipedia in research. And in reality, it's not a site that you would go to quote or cite specifically as a source. However, Wikipedia is an excellent place to go to get general background information on your research topic. So, as you're trying to narrow down what you're going to talk about and what you're going to say, feel free to use a site like Wikipedia to gain information and to find sources on your topic. Let's say you're starting off with a broad topic of measles. If you do a search on Wikipedia, it's going to bring up a great deal of information on the disease. It will tell you about what it is in cases. It'll tell you about the signs, the symptoms, all of this basic information. And after you go through that and you read through it and you start to develop your own thoughts and opinions on the topic, you can scroll to the bottom where you're going to see multiple accurate, reliable references that Wikipedia has used. So you're looking at this and you need to cite data and statistics on measles. So number 88 gives us a PDF on it, it says. So we can click that and we get a bit of a presentation actually, but we see that it's from the CDC. CDC is going to be reliable. It's probably going to be the most updated information and statistics that you can find on any illness or disease, virus, sickness. So this is a great source where you can then go through, get information that's credible and that is reliable. And then the measles resources from the CDC is also there. So you can go onto their website to see very specifically any additional information you need. So using Wikipedia in the research process is not a negative thing. It can be very helpful. You just need to know how to use it properly and how to find the resources to cite from it.